Hello guys, this is Joyce from UChat. This video will show you how to test your chatbot before it go live. So solution 1 is to add tester and solution 2 is to use the preview feature. Now let's take our UChat support bot as an example. Now when I go main menu, I can see that I have 3 buttons with 1 quick reply. Now when I go to the flow, so this is the welcome menu. Let's say now I'm going to add a new feature. Let me add 1 more quick reply. So now when user click on new feature, they will see I print. This is the new feature. Okay, now I will not hit the publish. So you all know that each chatbot has 2 versions. So one is published version. Let me hard refresh it. So one is published version, another one is draft version. Now let me switch to published version. So published version, you can see that what I just added disappeared because I haven't published it. So this is the published version. Your chatbot is always serving your users using the published version. Now when you hit edit flow, so each operation, whatever you do, will be saved automatically into the draft version. Now I have already built a new feature in the draft version. Now how can I test it before I put the new feature on live? So to add tester, please go tools and then testers. You can create new tester, search your own name or hit the search button to have everybody listed. So Joyce. Now I have already added myself as the tester. Now we can run the menu again to see whether I can see the new features or not. Okay, now you can see that I have the new feature quick reply. When I click on it, I can test this new feature. But as a normal user, they can only see the published version. Okay, so this is how you add yourself as tester. Now the second solution, preview. Let me show you. First of all, let me delete myself as a tester. So now I'm a normal user. Oh, by the way, when you add yourself as tester, you can use condition step to verify yourself. You can add the condition group and add search tester. So there is a is tester value to check that whether this when the person is a tester, go to a testing flow, and when the person is not a tester, then go to the production flow. Alright, now I'm not a tester anymore, so when I view main menu, I'm seeing the published version again. So how can I use the preview feature? So whenever you click on one step, you can always see that there is a blue play button in the upper left corner. Now when I click on this, so the preview you have already sent to me, which has a new feature quick reply here. One important thing to mention is that currently only 3 channels support the preview feature. They are Facebook Messenger, Telegram and WhatsApp. So the reason is that only these 3 channels support ref URL. So what is ref URL? Let me show you. So when you go tools, widgets, so in the widget you have a ref URL that you send to someone, and the person can jump directly to a subflow or to a specific node that is specified in the link. So without ref URL, you cannot do the preview feature. Okay, now you can see that when I preview, the message is sent right away because this user Joyce is connect it to be a previewer. So now how can I, let me firstly remove myself as a connector, so I can delete myself. Now, after I delete myself, I cut the connection. So now when I hit preview again, I can have a new link. So you can log in to another person, another Facebook user, and come back to open the flow in Messenger, so that the new Facebook user build a new connection with your chatbot flow. Okay, now I can send to this person, Joyce, or I can open it in Messenger. Now when I open it, I am now connected to be the previewer of this chatbot flow. So now I can do the preview feature. Now this step is not connected in the flow, but I can still preview it. So this is how you test your features. I can hit publish anyway, because this one nobody can access these steps. Now when I click preview, it's sent to me right away. Now you can see I received this. Okay, so basically, to test your chatbot, you can either add yourself as a tester, so that you can go into somewhere that a normal user cannot access, or you can use the preview feature to so that you can test each one of the steps to do the debugging. Like when some step went wrong, you can hit this specific step to test it. So this is very useful feature, so that after you make sure everything is correct, is running good, then you can connect this to your production. Okay, this is how you do the testing. Thank you. Bye.